Hey everyone, so I decided that I want to do a how-to video. I'm usually the one buying all of the gimmicky things online and then trying them out to see how they work. Well, I decided I want to do a how-to video on the Beauty Mole Remover Spot Pen that I ordered off of Amazon. So the thing is, I had a mole here and here, and you see two more right there on my tattoo. That's why they're a little red. That I wanted removed. They were bigger. They were not cancerous, but you know, having one or two removed at the dermatologist is like a few $100. So I just decided that I heard a lot of good things about the pen, so I wanted to try it out myself. So what you get is you open the box, you get the instruction manual. The manual looks like this. Well, that's Chinese or China. Looks like this. It doesn't really go into detail on how to use it. You just have to try it out. So I do know for this one it's digital. It goes from levels 1 through 6, 6 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. Also, there's this button that you press when you start. It's called out. Some say start, some say something different. But pretty much you charge it up. The charger end is going to be here. It's going to be just your normal USB cord, sort of that uses for mostly all the other devices that you would charge. I do have with me alcohol pads. You're going to need these. You want to make sure you're clean and the areas are clean before you do it. So I have a spot on my arm that I want to take off. Once you do, like these spots that I've done earlier, I've done it down to a point where you want it to let it scab and you want to let it heal, which will be about a week or two before you can decide if you want to do anything else. You don't want to overdo it because then you'll make yourself scar. For me, I feel like the feel of the removal is like getting a tattoo. Clearly I have tattoos. It feels like a little prick or a little sting. So what's happening is you're pressing this button and it's sending a ton of power out to the tip, which pretty much makes it like it sears your skin. So it's burning the dead skin off. It doesn't hurt. But if you are squeamish and you don't like seeing videos of people's skin burning or any of that, I would say stop watching this. But if you're okay with watching it, let's go for it. Actually, let's do this one because it's easier for me to video and not so hard to do it with just a phone and by myself. So, okay, let me see if I can zoom in for you. Alright, see, it's just a regular mole. So what happens is you hold the button and you want to go in at an angle. So press the button. You'll see the little light. And you'll see, just by doing it a little bit, I don't want to do it a lot because you see how it burns the top of the mole? So what happens is you want to do it in layers. Take it and I would do it about halfway. Just burn it until you fill the layer. Hold on, I already wiped it with alcohol. Let me get another pad. Sorry, 1 second. Alright, so then you take your alcohol pad and then you just wipe it, clean it, and you see that where the mark was is now, it's going to be red, but I wiped the dead skin away and it's a little lower. So I would repeat this another 1 or 2 times and then I'll be done with it today, and then I'll wait a few weeks and see how it looks. But as you can tell, before it was a raised mole, or a skin tag. I'm not sure exactly what it was. The dermatologist said a mole, so that's what we'll go with. And now it's halfway its size. So anyway, seems to work. I enjoy it, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching. Before you use it, just look up how to use it first. Don't just start burning your skin off. So yeah, thanks for watching.